Hello everyone. Why do giraffes have long necks while other animals don't? Why do polar bears have thick fur while animals in the warm regions do not? The answer lies in a very important concept in evolution called natural selection. In the next few minutes, you will understand what natural selection is, why is it called the survival of the fittest, and how it leads to evolution. This concept is very important for class 12 biology and NEET preparations. So let's understand this concept step by step. First, let's understand what is natural selection. Natural selection is the process in which organisms with favorable traits survive and reproduce more successfully than others in a particular environment. Because these organisms survive and reproduce more, their traits are passed on to the next generation more. Over many generations, these beneficial traits become more common in the population. So, the idea of natural selection was proposed by the famous naturalist Charles Darwin. Darwin observed that organisms in nature show many variations. Some of these variations helped individuals survive better in their environment. So, natural selection is often used or explained using the phrase survival of the fittest. However, the word fittest here does not mean the strongest or the biggest one. It actually means the survival of the organisms that are best adapted to their environment and how many progenies they leave for the next generations to continue their lineage. So, for natural selection to work, there must be variation in population. Different individuals have slightly different characteristics. Some individuals may have traits that give them advantage in survival. The environment acts as a selection pressure. Factors like climate, food availability, predators, and disease determine which individuals survive and which do not. So let us consider this with a simple example. So imagine there is a population of giraffes. In this population, some giraffes naturally had slightly longer neck than others. During times when food was available only on tall trees, giraffes with longer neck could reach the leaves more easily. These giraffes were more likely to survive and reproduce. Over many generations, the trait of longer neck became more common in the population. This gradual change in the population happened due to natural selection. Because favorable traits are passed on to the next generations, populations slowly change over time. This gradual change in population is what we call evolution. So, to sum it up, natural selection works through the three important steps. First, variation in the population. Second, survival of individuals with advantageous traits. And third, inheritance of those traits to the next generation. So before we end this video, here's a quick question for you. Question is, which mechanism of evolution explains the concept of survival of the fittest? Write your answers in the comment section below. And if this video helped you understand natural selection clearly, do not forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple explanation of NEET biology concepts. Thank you.